skin hurts so bad. Terrible. Is that a frog?
I can hear you holding your breath back there just to get that one out.
This one last.
Really pushing.
Dude, I'm gonna have mud in my shoes by the time we finish this.
You're gonna step on it so much, it's gonna compound it into glass.
Can't see a fucking thing.
I don't know, dude. This might be like a secret this way.
Secret achievement. Yeah, we're going for a full hundo percentage. It's really fun if we send a dead body in here. Oh. And that's a corpse.
Oh. We did it. We found the secret.
Rock.